All right, we are going to go back into the Aporto portal, and we are going to re-log into Aporto using your school credentials. And we're going to open up the file that we started last week. So let's go into Launch for CAD. And if you recall, once we get into the Aporto portal, you've got um, the different programs over here on the left, but you also have the file for the house that you created, right? I've got my period 4, period 5, 6, and 7. So I've got all of my houses that I've saved. I'm going to open up AutoCAD. And once I'm in AutoCAD, I'm then going to open up the file that we started. Okay, so I'm simply going to go up to the folder, the open folder. I'm going to go to my desktop, this right here. And here are my houses. So let me just open up. And we have our, if you remember, it was 35 feet long by 25 feet wide. So we made this house here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to create a couple of bedrooms and a couple of closets and our bathroom today. So we're going to utilize the offset command, which is in the modify toolbar, the same one we use to create our wall thickness. And so what I'd like to do is we have 35 feet from exterior to exterior, plus a 6-inch wall and a 6-inch wall. So we actually have 34 feet inside. So what I'm going to do is this. I am going to create a bedroom here, a bedroom here. We're going to have some closets in there, and then separating the two, I'm going to put in a bathroom in the middle. So those are the 2 bedrooms and a bathroom is where we're going to go with this. So we're going to start down in this bottom corner. And what I'm going to do is we're going to offset. I'm going to go offset. I'm going to set my distance at 11 feet. So notice I typed right down here, I typed in 11 apostrophe, enter. And I'm going to offset this line over here 11 feet. So I now have a distance of 11 feet between the inside of this edge wall and this line here. I'm going to go offset again, set it at 6 inches, so 6, enter. I'm going to click on this line and move this direction here. So now I still have my 11-foot interior distance plus a 6-inch wall. Now I'm going to put in the closet, the spacing for the closet. And the closet is going to be 2 foot 6 inches deep. So I'm going to go offset. I'm going to type in 2 apostrophe 6. So I typed in 2 foot 6 inches, enter. I'm going to grab the right edge, click on the right edge here, click, and pull it to the right and click. So here's our spacing for our closet. I'm now going to add 6 more inches for the thickness of the wall. So offset 6, enter. Click on this line and click on the right side again. So there's going to be the spacing for our closet. I'm now going to go offset. I'm going to put in our bathroom. Offset 5 feet. So 5 apostrophe. Enter. Grab the rightmost one. Click here. So this is the depth of, or the width of our bathroom. Offset again. 6. Enter for 6 inches. Click and click on the right side. I need to put another closet in here. So I'm going to go offset 2 apostrophe 6 for 2 foot 6. Right there. Enter. Click, click. And one more wall thickness. Offset 6. Enter. Click, click. So what I have is from the inside edge of this wall to the inside edge of this wall, I've got 34 feet. Well, I've got 11 foot here. I've got 6 inches. I've got 2.5 feet, 6 inches. I've got 5 feet, 6 inches, 2.5 feet, 6 inches. And mathematically, what that leaves us now is the distance between this wall and this wall is 11 feet. So my bedroom here and my bedroom here are the same size. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm just going to show you this. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to show you that if I take a dimension and I go from this corner here over to this corner here, you'll see that set too small, but let me zoom in on 132 inches. I would have to adjust that. 132 inches is actually 11 feet. Let me just delete that. So just showing you that we have the same amount of space. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create my 11-foot wall or spacing this direction. So I'm going to go offset 11 apostrophe for 11 feet. I'm going to click on this line, come up here, and I'm going to go offset 6, enter, and do that. So now I'm going to use these spaces down here, but all of this gets to be trimmed away. So I'm going to go trim, click enter, and I'm going to get rid of all those. Plus, I'm going to click on each one of these. In fact, you could make a almost done with our trimming. Okay, so here is our here's our spacing for bedroom, closet, bathroom, closet, bedroom. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to, instead of having one really long closet, which makes it difficult because if I was going to put a bar across here to hang clothes in, that bar would have to be 11 foot long. And imagine how much weight would be on that bar with 11 feet worth of clothes. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a line right through the middle here. But I need to turn on midpoint. So I'm going to go turn on midpoint. And then I'm going to get a line from the midpoint of this line. I'm going to go straight across to here. And I'm going to offset this line 3 inches up and 3 inches down, which will give me my 6 inches total of thickness for my wall. So I'm going to go offset 3, enter. I'm going to click on this line and offset it up 3 inches. And then I'm going to click on it again and offset it down 3 inches, enter. And then I'm going to click on that line, the middle line here, and delete it. Okay, now I'm going to trim again. Trim, enter. I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to do the same over here. Okay, so I now actually have 2 closets per bedroom. Okay. I'm going to show you how to create the door, and then that's all we're going to do today. So for the door, I'm going to come right over here, and I'm going to start by drawing a line through my wall here. Now, I can't do it here because it's attaching me. Notice how it attaches to the corner here. So I'm actually going to come up above here like that. And I drew it too long just so that it doesn't attach me to the middle of this line or the corner of this line. I'm going to go trim, enter, and I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, so I just came a few inches away. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset again. Offset 2'6", enter. And I'm going to offset this line, this direction, 2'6". So that's going to be the opening of our doorway. I'm going to get a line command, start it here, drag it down at an angle like this, type in 2'6", enter, and then enter again. So right now the opening of my door is 2'6", the length of my door is 2'6", and now I just need to put in a curve or an arc that shows the swing pattern of this door. And so probably the easiest way to do this is just to go circle, click on the circle command, click on the center point, and drag it out to the end point of the door. And then I'm going to go trim, enter, and I'm going to go click, click, click. And there's one little more piece right here. Don't forget to trim off inside the wall here, this one. And I'm going to get rid of those two. So straight line, straight line. The curve doesn't start until here. Okay. I am now going to mirror this door over to this side for this bedroom as well. Here's how I do it. I'm going to go mirror. It says select your objects. So I'm going to go this, 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 and this, those 4 lines. I'm done selecting, so I hit enter. And it wants to know where's your mirror line. So I'm going to come to the midpoint of my bathroom here. Click on this line, drag straight down, click on the midpoint of this bottom line. And this says erase your source object. I'm going to click on no. And I'm going to go trim, enter, get rid of those. Okay. So here is our bedroom, bedroom, bedroom door, bedroom door. And that is all we're going to do today. All right, fairly simple, not too difficult. We should all be able to get the spacing done for our bedrooms, closets, and bathrooms. Okay.